Hi, my name is Michael Hooks. I am the Executive Director for National Pharmaceutical Services Associates. We're a consulting firm that have been in existence since 1986. Right now, we have decided that we want to try social media as one of our forms of communication. So this is going to be a series that we're going to offer to you the first part of every week, and we're going to call this series the 15-minute Pharmacist in the Corner session. We're going to start out with our vitamins, and then we're going to talk about a disease state. With the vitamins, I'm going to start with vitamin A, and I'm going to go straight through all the vitamins alphabetically, one vitamin every week. I'm also going to talk about a disease state, something that I feel that might be of interest to you. For instance, this week we're going to talk about hypertension. And we're going to talk about vitamin A. So we're going to get ready to get right into it. Okay, so when we're talking about vitamin A, we're not just talking about just one vitamin. Vitamin A is a group of vitamins, and they come in a form of an antioxidant. Antioxidants are molecules that will go through the body, and they just kind of grab up dirt, and they grab onto any other molecules that are inside the body. So with vitamin A, it's one of those type of vitamins that you have to be careful with what you're taking. Okay, they help the immune system. They're very good for vision. It also helps a condition called night blindness. It is a cellular communicator, so it gets into the system and it brings cells and carries cells to other parts of the body that are to maintain its bodily function. Vitamin A is what's called a fat-soluble vitamin, which means that you should be given it, when you take vitamin A, you should take it with food. And you should not necessarily be just going to a drugstore and buying vitamin A. Vitamin A is found in most foods, and usually if we're eating a regular diet, you get enough vitamin A in your system. It's mostly found in fish and in meats, but there's high concentrations of vitamin A in beef liver for the people who eat meat. But for other food sources, you can find vitamin A in eggs, milk. You can find it in greeny leaf vegetables, and they are also in high concentrations found in sweet potatoes and spinach. And raw carrots is a very good form to get your vitamin A content. Also, another food source is the bell peppers, the red, the yellow, the orange, and the green bell peppers, full of vitamin A. Vitamin A is very helpful and can slow down the progression of Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's. These are good sources to find vitamin A in. The usual recommended dose for vitamin A is 900 micrograms per day for men and 700 micrograms per day for women. You have to be careful if you're pregnant. You have to always check with your doctor on vitamin A. But for the most part, you don't have to go to a drugstore and buy vitamin A. It pretty much covers, is pretty much covered in your whatever you eat during the day. You're good to go.